Today we've talked a lot about steady beat because steady beat is something that stays the same. Does it get faster? No. Does it get slower? No. It stays the same. Now I have some interesting things from my kitchen, and I am going to practice my steady beat on these fun kitchen things. So I am going to count to 10, and if you need to grab something fun around you, you could ask for permission to get something from your kitchen. You could use a toy, you could use a book. Find something cool. It does not have to be an official instrument. Find something cool. I'm going to use this and this. Ooh, cool. I'm going to count down from 10 for you to find your cool thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do you have your cool thing? We're going to practice doing a steady beat on your cool home instrument. First, let's decide what kind of sounds you can make. So, play around with it. Ooh, listen to that. It's a cool sound. Whoa! Oh, I like that sound. What if I turn this around? No, I don't like that sound. I think I like that scrapey sound, so I think I'm going to use that one. Do you know which sound on your home instrument you're going to use? If you don't, find out now. Let's go ahead and say something so that we stay together. Here's what we're going to say. Steady beat. Oh, steady beat. Oh, steady beat. Oh, steady beat. And stop. Put your cool instrument down. We're going to clap this time. We're going to say the same thing. This time we're going to clap. Steady beat. Oh, steady beat. Oh, steady beat. And stop. Do I want to stick with the same cool thing or try a new cool? I think I'll try one of my same old things and one of a new thing. Let's see what this sounds like. Ooh. Or I feel like that's just cool. I'm going to stick with that one. Are you ready? Here we go. Steady beat. Oh, steady beat. And stop. Back to clapping. Here we go. Steady beat. Oh, steady beat. And stop. Find something else. I'm going to use a book. Here's my book. Here we go. Steady beat. Oh, steady beat. And stop. Back to clapping. Here we go. Steady beat. Oh, steady beat. And stop. Ooh, I have some veggie chips. It's going to be hard not to eat them instead of playing the container, but I will try. Here we go. Steady beat. Oh, steady beat. And stop. Let's try clapping again. Steady now you're going to think about, of all those sounds you just tried, what was your favorite sound? I really liked my first sound with these cool instruments, so I will use them. On the next page, it will ask you to record you playing your steady beat on your instrument. You can say, in fact, you should say, steady beat, oh, steady beat, and stop. You should say that. That's good. You can clap. You can use whatever cool instrument you found at home. You should say steady beat, oh, steady beat, and stop. And that will be what you do today for credit. I'm so excited to hear your steady beats. Yeah.